Hey, in this video, we will be building a scraper using Bardeen that will allow us to move the data from a page. In this case, we'll be working with product and product. So we will be building a model that will allow us move the data from here to a spreadsheet. Let's start the Bardeen. And as you can see, I'm currently on the Agents tab. So we will click on the plus button here to start building scraping agent. Here, I'll pick scrape with template because this demo will show a manual process of picking the data. You can decide like what exact data you would like to move from the page to the destination. We will use current website. So we will be building an automation that will work on the active tab. And to start building the scraping template, I'll click on create new scraper template button in here. And we are picking the tab where we would like to build it, as we would like to build on the product page. This is the tab that I will be picking. We will build our own scraper model. So I'll click into now I will build myself button. And now we'll be picking the data that we would like to extract from the page. So let's pick the name. I can type right away in here. As you can see, this sidebar is being highlighted, so you can quickly change the name of the field. We can pick the description. You can also double click this column in case you would like to revisit and update the other fields. So you can do it from here or from this sidebar as well. Let's pick the rating. Here we go. In case you would like to delete one of the operations, we have those menus next to every operation. So let's say we would like to remove the description field. Here we go. The description field is removed. And then we can get it from the page again. And if you would like to rearrange the operations, we can do directly in this view. You can also get some additional data from the page that are not visible and it's not possible to pinpoint and pick from the page itself. Let's say some metadata, or you would like to get the URL of the page. So we will use the page link that will get the page URL. And as soon the scraper is ready, you can name it. Let's call this demo single page scraper product hunt. So this will allow you to easily locate the scraper models in the future. And when the scraper is ready, we click on the Save Agent button. And now we can run the agent to observe what are the data that we have got. So we can click on all rows in this case because we anyway will get a single row because this is a single page scraper and it's not extracting the list of data. And here we go. We have the scraped data in this tabular view. The next, what you might want to do is to move the data to somewhere else. So in order to do that, let's click on this export button, add to Google Sheet. And then we need to locate the spreadsheet that we would like to add the data to. So let's type. If you have just created the spreadsheet and it's not appearing in here, you might want to refresh the list. And now I can see spreadsheets that I'm interested in and to where I would like to move the data. So let me pick it. And we can save and run the whole automation. And this should move the data that we have just extracted from the page into the spreadsheet. And if we click into the spreadsheet, we can see this is the data that we extracted from the page and we move it to the spreadsheet. And now you can visit another page and run this automation, and that will also extract the data and add into that spreadsheet. So this way you can extract the data from various product hunt products.